In a nutshell, unpacking a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English expression, in a nutshell. This phrase is commonly used in conversations and writing, but what does it really mean? Let's explore this together and make your English communication even more effective. In a nutshell is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that you are about to describe something as briefly and concisely as possible. It's like saying, I'm going to give you the short version. This phrase is particularly useful when summarizing complex topics or lengthy explanations. The phrase, in a nutshell, has an interesting history. It's believed to have originated from an ancient Roman story where the poet Pliny the Elder mentioned a copy of Homer's Iliad that was small enough to fit inside a walnut shell. This story highlights the essence of the phrase, encapsulating a lot of information in a very small space. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use in a nutshell in everyday English. 1. Before a summary. In a nutshell, the meeting was about the new marketing strategy. 2. As a response, can you explain the story of the movie? In a nutshell, it's about a hero's journey to find a hidden treasure. 3. In writing. In a nutshell, the article argues the importance of environmental conservation. While using in a nutshell, remember, it's best used at the beginning of a sentence. Don't follow it with a detailed or lengthy explanation. Keep it short and sweet. It's more suited for informal or semi-formal contexts. That's in a nutshell for you. It's a handy phrase to summarize information concisely. I hope this explanation helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms like a native speaker. Remember, language learning is all about little steps, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. See you in the next video.